Plant FAQs. Anthurium hookeri variegated. Anthurium hookeri variegated, a bird's nest beauty. FAQs by Vu. The Anthurium hookeri variegated, also known as the bird's nest anthurium, is a captivating houseplant prized for its unique foliage and interesting growth habit. If you're considering adding this beauty to your collection, here's a breakdown of some frequently asked questions to help you care for it properly. See more 1327 species in genus Anthurium at monsteraholic.com. What makes the Anthurium hookeri variegated special? This Anthurium boasts stunning, upright leaves with a paddle shape and frilled edges. The real showstopper, however, is the variegation. Unlike its solid green counterpart, the Anthurium hookeri variegated features splashes of creamy white or golden variegation, adding a touch of elegance to any indoor space. Is the Anthurium hookeri variegated difficult to care for? While not the most demanding plant, the Anthurium hookeri variegated does have specific needs. Here's a quick guide. Light, bright, indirect sunlight is ideal. Avoid harsh, direct sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water regularly, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Overwatering is a leading cause of root rot, so err on the side of underwatering. Humidity. This is a tropical plant that thrives in high humidity. Consider using a humidifier or placing the pot on a pebble tray filled with water. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial. Aroid mix or orchid mix are popular choices. Temperature. Aim for warm temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid sudden temperature drops. How big does the Anthurium hookeri variegated get? This Anthurium is a relatively compact grower, reaching a mature height of around 20 inches, 50 centimeters. Its dense root system contributes to its manageable size. Does the Anthurium hookeri variegated flower? Yes, but the flowers themselves aren't particularly showy. True to its nickname, the bird's nest Anthurium produces a unique inflorescence resembling a bird's nest, with a spathe modified leaf surrounding a spadix spike. The spathe can be white, green, or even a combination of both, while the spadix is typically yellow or orange. How is the Anthurium hookeri variegated different from other Anthuriums? Several key characteristics differentiate the Anthurium hookeri variegated from other Anthurium varieties. Leaf shape. Compared to the heart-shaped leaves of popular Anthuriums like the Anthurium andrianum, the hookeri variegated has elongated, paddle-shaped leaves. Variegation. The vibrant variegation sets it apart from solid-colored Anthuriums. Growth habit. The bird's nest Anthurium has a more compact growth pattern with shorter internodes, spaces between leaves, compared to some vining Anthuriums. Can I propagate the Anthurium hookeri variegated? Propagation is possible through division or stem cuttings. Division is best done during repotting, while stem cuttings require specific techniques. Researching proper propagation methods before attempting is recommended. What are some common problems with the Anthurium hookeri variegated? Overwatering. This is the most common issue, leading to yellowing leaves and root rot. Ensure proper drainage and adjust your watering habits accordingly. Low humidity. Dry air can cause brown, crispy leaf edges. Invest in a humidifier or increase ambient humidity around the plant. Pest infestation. Keep an eye out for common houseplant pests like mealybugs or spider mites. Address infestations promptly with appropriate insecticidal soap or neem oil. Where can I find an Anthurium hookeri variegated? Look for reputable online plant stores or specialty nurseries that cater to exotic houseplants. Due to its unique foliage, the Anthurium hookeri variegated might be slightly more expensive than common Anthurium varieties. Final thoughts. The Anthurium hookeri variegated is a captivating plant with a touch of the exotic. With proper care, this bird's nest Anthurium will add a touch of elegance and visual interest to your indoor space.